Still interested in Hyundai Tucson? You should look at the 2018 Ford Escape. It compares quite favorably to Tucson. For starters, you can parallel or perpendicular park Escape by just pushing a button and following the prompts. Tucson doesn't have this technology. Something else Tucson doesn't have is adaptive cruise control, a radar-based system that keeps you a preset distance from the car in front of you. Escape has more storage room than Tucson behind the front seats. It also offers intelligent four-wheel drive for better traction and handling in different driving conditions. And when it comes to horsepower, Escape has a big advantage, 245 to 175. Finally, there's the longevity factor. Over 96% of all Escapes sold over the last 10 years are still on the road. Advantages that add up. That's how you become America's best-selling brand. Ford, the most awarded brand for initial quality by J.D. Power.